Hey guys, today we're going to be having a look at the AKAI MPK Mini Play, but I thought we'd have a bit more fun today and we're going to actually have a look at the shit sounds that the AKAI MPK Mini Play plays. So yeah, I've organised some doozies for you guys. I'll get a loop going and let's have some fun. Alright, let's get a quick loop going on to make this thing tolerable. Right, first off, harmonica. Oh yeah. Ooh. Oh. But wait, there is more. Violin. Oh, anything with strings, and I think anything with wind is just awful. Oh, my ears! Contrabass. Nah, that's enough. 48, timpani. It's like they're sick. Whoa! Yeah, I'm going to use that one all the time. That's sarcasm from any Americans watching. My favorite. They're all so similar, but yet also terrible. Why? Now, every parent's nightmare, the recorder. Okay. It actually sounds better than a kid playing a recorder. I don't know how to pronounce this one. Shakachichi? Kind of like a panpipe, but broken. Bagpipes. Music to my ears. A go-go? A go-go. Yeah. I think every song needs a bit of a go-go. Right, now we're getting into some sound effects. This is just silly. Why? Ever want a fret noise? Seashore. Oh, relaxing. Sounds like a typical morning in New Zealand. Oh, no. No. And yeah, just what everyone needs, a helicopter. Oh well, if you made it this far through, you need this applause. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. Oh, some of those sounds are just frickin' shocking, but I do have to give props to AKAI for making this. It does have good sounds in there. If you want to see the good sounds, just Google it, and there's plenty of guys out there doing the cool ones, and it's awesome that this thing can be plugged into MIDI, and then you just use your own sounds. But yeah, it's a standalone unit. Cool, good fun, but I mean, some of those sounds, when are you ever going to use them? I sure as hell won't, but yeah, stay tuned for new videos, and we'll see you next time. Airplane. Oh no, helicopter. Awesome. Right, we don't want to film. Come on.